So let me show you today how you can create such a music video with free tools and AI. I wanted to see if it is possible to make a short animated music video for free. So I will show you also for every step where the limits are for small hardware. Um, so this is my MacBook Pro laptop, which I used for the tests. This video is not only for Mac user, because most of the tools which I will be using works even better on Windows. So here's the workflow and the tools we will need to create the video. This is the first step. So we will create an image with Stable Diffusion or with ChatGPT, and then we will animate the image to a video. We have also here two options, Comfy UI with LTX model or with Kling AI. You will see the differences of the quality. You can go on the internet on this playground, or you can install it on your laptop. This is free open source software. You can add your prompt and then click generate. See it generating. So I already generated as the last time. This is the result, and I choose one of those images. So we will animate actually this image and make it sing. You can use also ChatGPT to generate the images. I tried this also, but I liked the results of Stable Diffusions more for this use case. So let's see first how it works on Kling AI. It is very simple. So you upload the image which you generated in the last step, and then you add a prompt. Let's have a look how it works. So you need to choose Kling 1.6 because 2.0 is only for paid subscriptions. Then you add the prompt here, make the girl act if she is singing, and then you click on generation. It takes about 1 hour to generate the video, then you have the result. So let's have a look at the results of Kling AI. We had the prompt, make the girl act if she is singing. Let's see the results. It is really perfect. It's, yeah. This quality is not yet possible with local AI with such a small hardware. So now, if you want to create the video locally on your laptop, you need to install Comfy UI. It's a little bit more of work, but it is free and you have no watermark on the video. The quality is not yet there if you have small hardware, like in my case, but it works. So first step, you need to install Comfy UI and Comfy UI LTX video plugin. Here is the description how you install it. I already used it in the last video. Once you install it, you can start the workflow. Open the workflow here on your local machine, and then you add the image here. You can choose the file here, and you need to add here the prompt. The girl should act like singing, and you can add optionally a negative prompt what you don't want to have in the video, and then you click run. It takes also about an hour depending on the hardware you have, and then you have the result here, which is an animated video of the image you added in the context of the prompt you defined here. So the quality is really not yet there, so you need to make a couple of tests until you have something you like, and especially you need to edit the video maybe with CapCut or with iMovie if you are on Mac, to get only the clips which are good enough. Okay, so this is the output folder of Comfy UI, and here you can see the results of the generation. So let's see, this is one output, and as you see, the quality is not yet there, but it is free, as said, no watermarks, and you can use your private video, private avatar, and you can play around with it without having to worry about limitations and about getting your data, losing your data. So I am a fan of local AI. We're still not there, but I am following it up, and the quality is getting really better. Okay, so now let's create the music. So to create the music, you need first the lyrics. So you can use your own or generate using AI. You can, for example, use ChatGPT, like here. You can write your prompt, write a short song about dancing, use the format of a song you like. And ChatGPT will create a song with the verses and the chorus and so on. So you can use commercial platforms like Suno or UI, you can subscribe or use the free plan. But there are also some open source model which you can use to generate music, like this model, UA Music Generator. They have a demo and a playground where you can put your lyrics and define, like in Suno, the genre which you want the music to be generated, female or male vocals, and you generate a song. Let's see here. So once it is finished, you can download the song here. So the quality is really not yet like in Suno. Woke up in the morning, sun is shining bright. Chasing all my dreams like okay, so as you see, the quality is also not really excellent, but it is beginning, and this software, this UAE, is open source. You can install it on your laptop. I tried to install it on my Mac, but it doesn't work on Mac. It works on CUDA enabled GPU. So if you have a window with the GPU, NVIDIA GPU, you can make it work even on 16 gigabyte of RAM. And I think the least you need to have a look at the specification. I think you need at least 8 giga of GPU. Let me have a look. I think the software. I will put all the links also on the description of the videos, and I will try also to make a 2-page document where all the links are and put it in my repo. So for all people interested, please subscribe so you get notified when I add this document. So I think here, yeah, here you can see it. If you have 10 gigabyte of VRAM, you need to use this profile. And if you have 12 gigabyte, this profile. And if you have even less, you can use this profile, but the quality is not very good. So you can have a look at this website. And this is really the first AI music generator which is open source and which is running. So you can also edit the result in your music software and update it. Two other options to create music than the first one which I showed you, this one. The second one is Bark, and the third one is Music.in. These are also open source. You can install them on your laptop. So let me show you the websites. I will put them also in the description, these links. So this is Bark. Bark is actually the open source library of Suno. You can install it and generate also vocals with music, but you are very limited. You cannot choose the genre, and you cannot really define the kind of music exactly what you want. And there is another library which is Music.in. This is from Facebook. It is open source. You can also install it on your laptop to generate music, but it generates only instrumental music. So these are the other two. So so now let's move on to the next topic, which is optimizing the output. As you saw, the quality is not already excellent when you generate the music locally, but it is free. But you can have the option to use AI tools to edit it and make it better. If you have Mac, you have for sure GarageBand, where you can open the output file and edit it. And there are other two software which I will show you some small example about it. Audimi, which can generate vocals for you or transform vocals. You can use tools to optimize now the output. So there is a website which is called Basic Pitch from Spotify, where you can upload your MP3 output file, and this tool will generate the MIDI file for you. So this music file, you can import it in your music software, and then update it. Yeah, you can update the notes, and so you have a lot of possibility. Another possibility is to use Audimi for vocals. Audimi is another tool which you can use if you want to optimize vocal. If you're not happy with the vocals generated from the AI, you can use these royalty-free voices. But you need to look at the license if you want to use the output commercially. They have very nice voices for every genre. So you can try those ones. This is another quality from the generated voices from UA and other free open source tools. Okay, so now let's move on with step 3, which is syncing the video to the music. So we will use here Kling AI, the free plan, and a local AI, which is Comfy UI, with another plugin which is called Wave to Lip. We will see it in a moment. So let's start with the Kling AI. Let me see. So on Kling AI, you need to upload your MP3 with the music, and then start generating. So this is music, the generated music from your AI, or any song which you want to animate. So when I think after around 8 minutes, you see here, you will have the results. I'll show you the results in a moment. So here you see the result, which is very short, 5 seconds. So for a whole video you need to generate a couple of scenes, but the quality is really good. Okay, so for Comfy UI, you need to add this plugin, Wave to Lip. I will put the link in the description. It's a Comfy UI plugin, and then here you put the MP3 file. You add the image here, and then you click run. It takes about 10 minutes on my laptop, and then it will generate a video which looks like this. You see the results are not comparable to Kling AI, are not as good as Kling AI, but this is really the beginning of a local AI, and I think it will get better in the next months and years. I hope you got an idea how to start experimenting and creating your first animated music video. You saw the steps, you saw the tools, the local tools, and you saw also some of the platforms. My takeaway after this experiment to create a short music video locally on my Mac laptop is that local AI is not yet ready for production quality, but the software is working even on a small hardware. Before we close up, I want to show you a website where you have an overview of the most current music generator. Let me show you. So this is this website, Best AI Music Generator in 2025 from Ezra. He made a good overview, and he categorized them in sections. For example, the text to music software, the MIDI generators, like the one I showed you from Spotify, the voice generator, then the digital audio workstation helpers, and so on. So this our article, I'll link it also in the description. It's really very good one. Not all the tools are on it, especially not the open source and local AI tool, which I spoke about, but a lot of helpers. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I will make also a 2-page document as said, and I put it in repository, so please subscribe to get notified when I upload this document. This will be in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and see you hopefully in the next video.